Okay, I've measured out each one of the spices and put them in a bowl here to make it easier to dump them all in at once. And then we're going to put in the broth. Yeah, I'll start loosening this up, and then tomatoes. I'm using low sodium broth, that's again just because I have to. But you can use chicken broth in this as well. If I had chicken broth instead of beef, I probably would use it. But a lot of recipes call for this to be beef instead of chicken broth, which I've never fully understood, but it works. And so back up the heat a little bit to get this to a simmer. In just a few moments, we're going to have everything in here. All we have to do is close the lid, keep it on a simmer for about 30 minutes to an hour. 30 minutes ought to be sufficient. You want to be sure you have all the chicken cooked through and the vegetables are soft and tender. And in my experience, it takes roughly 90 minutes, an hour to 90 minutes. So let's get that bumped back up to high to get it boiling. When that's coming to a boil, I'm going to grab the vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. The original recipe called for 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm going to stick with just 1. Then it calls for 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, now we start it simmering and let it cook down. And again, that's it. It's time to clean up, you're done for the next hour or 90 minutes. Total time elapsed, I think, from start to finish was about 30 minutes, maybe 35. Of course, I cut the tape short here and there. But at this point, as soon as it starts boiling here a little bit more, I'm going to put the lid on and it's done.